Eating healthy for vegetarians. Vegetarian eating can be a very healthy way of eating. The rules of healthy eating still apply, but you should add variety, balance, and moderation. A vegetarian is someone who abstains from all forms of meat, including hamburgers, hot dogs, chicken, and even fish. Vegetarians are also classified according to the type of food they are or are not willing to eat. Lacto-ovo vegetarians, for example, avoid eating animal flesh but consume eggs and most dairy products. A vegan, on the other hand, will avoid any food containing any trace of animal origin. Vegetarians frequently wonder how they will get enough protein because they do not eat meat. Although you may not realize it, the average American consumes far more protein than he requires. Dairy products are an excellent source of protein for lacto-ovo vegetarians. Vegans, on the other hand, eat nuts, seeds, and soy products for protein. There are many different types of beans to choose from, such as green or red lentils, peanuts, split peas, pinto, soy, kidney, and many more. Some of them are already well known to you, such as kidney beans in chili, refried beans in Mexican dishes, red beans and rice, and pinto beans. Although some beans are delicious on their own, others can be flavored to enhance their flavor. Nuts are high in protein, but they also contain a lot more fat than beans, so eat them in moderation. 1 cup of cooked beans contains the same amount of protein as 2 ounces of meat. Vegans, who avoid all forms of animal food, are concerned about vitamin B12, calcium, and vitamin D. Animals are the primary source of B12 in the average North American diet. Vegans should consume vitamin B12 supplements or foods containing vitamin B12 on a regular basis, such as soy products or milk, to ensure an adequate intake of B12. Vegans can get their calcium from orange juice or soy milk, both of which are calcium fortified. Calcium can also be found in beans and leafy green vegetables. Although all types of vegetarians rely on simple food groups, it is always a good idea to keep your vitamin and calcium intake under control. This is critical for both eating healthy and staying healthy. You'll have many years of healthy eating ahead of you if you control what you eat. Encourage us and subscribe to our channel and activate the notifications. Like our video and write any remark or suggestion in the comments section. We will be glad to hear you. Thank you.